G'day guys, and welcome to the second ever episode of Australian Rural Adventures. You join me out in the beautiful Australian bush on a bit of a dreary autumn day. This week I'm going to be showing you how to fit your own tyres at home with tools you might have laying around. And we make the $2,000 tourer a little bit spunkier with a cheeky muffler delete. Alright, it's time to get on with it. Thanks for watching. Here we go on the second ever episode of Australian Rural Adventures. Alright guys, it's time to fit the bigger tyres. We're going from a 215 55 17 to a 225 65 17, which will just give us a little bit extra ground clearance. I'm going to remove the old tyres from the rims using a high lift jack. I'm going to do this by creating some downforce, mounting it in the tow hitch receiver on the rear of the vehicle. The foot of the jack is covering the tyre only and is just hard up against the rim. I'm using this valve remover to remove the valve stem from the tyre to let all the air out. It's time to pump up the jack. By doing this, it'll put the entire weight of the rear of the vehicle directly on the tyre seam. It's important to remember to keep your head well away from the upward stroke of the handle of the jack. On the downward stroke it's under pressure, and if it slips out of your hand and hits you in the head, you'll do yourself a mischief. The process needs to be repeated on the rear of the tyre. There are two beads inside the tyre that hold it to the rim. You'll hear a distinct pop when they let go. Now the beads have been broken, it's a good idea to lubricate the rim and tyre using dishwashing liquid.